everyone, welcome to Carrie's Cooking Corner. I'm Carrie, and today we're going to be doing another weird food tries. Click up here, I made a playlist. So, I was given some sugar-free brownie mix, and today we're going to try it with the soda, like I did for the cake, the soda cake that I did before. I'm going to link it right here. Alrighty, let's get into this. Alright. So first we're going to pour in the brownie mix. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. And I'm going to use 1 can of strawberry soda, because that's what I have. Alright. Now I'm just going to take my spatula and mix this up. I'm using the sugar-free brownie mix for this because I'm hoping it won't be too sweet. Alright, I'm already noticing this is a lot more watery than the cake mix. So maybe half a can would have been better. I used a 12-ounce can, so maybe 6 ounces would have been better. But there's no turning back now. So let's do this. I've got my pans right here. As you know, I pre-oil my pans. I'm just going to be scooping these in here. I'm doing cupcakes instead of a brownie pan because 1, I don't have a brownie pan, and 2, I want to try and get all of them to have the crisp edges that brownies have. I'm gonna go get something that'll make this a little easier. There we go. I'm trying not to overfill this so that it doesn't make too much of a mess. Alright, I'm getting down to the last of my mix here. I'm just going to pour the rest in. Alright. And now I'm going to go put these in the oven, and I'll be back in just a few minutes. Okay, so I just took the brownies out of the oven, and this is what they look like. And again, an easy way to tell if you're baking and you want to know if your stuff is done cooking, just take a knife or a toothpick, stick it in. If it comes out clean, you're done. Alrighty, I'll be back when these cool down. Alright, they've cooled down. I'm going to try a bite real quick. It definitely doesn't taste like sugar-free, probably because of the sugar that I put in the brownies through the soda. I can taste a hint of the strawberry soda that I put in. Overall, 10 out of 10. Would make again. Alrighty. Let me know if y'all make this or if you see any other weird food tries that I should do. And comment down below. Thanks and have a nice day. Bye.